Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Sami, or Sammy if you'd like. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this kinky straight wig from DYHair777. You guys know how much I love their hair, and this hair in particular looks so natural and is easy to style and work with. But before we get into this video, you guys know the drill. I need you guys to give this video a big fat thick thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
It's Hilsey in the building. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Welcome to my roller coaster.
So this hair is from DYHair777. I love this company so much and I've worked with them before. This is their packaging, cute as always. So they actually sent me bundles, you guys. They sent me 3 bundles, 18-inch, 20-inch and a 16-inch bundle, as well as a 13x4 lace front. My girl Stacey then went on ahead to make the wig for me, but I'm gonna get into those details later. But yeah, these were the bundles, guys, and this is the lace front. You know the vibes, good quality only. They also sent me this pretty pin that says Miss, so pretty for when you style your hair, whatever. And inside the package there was also their card showing all the company information as well as the hair care. So like I said, guys, Stacey made my wig, and Stacey is a hairstylist based in Shanghai. She is amazing, guys. When I tell you that her work is great, it's great, okay? She also has a YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave all her details in the description box. She has more detailed videos on how she makes the wigs, so you guys make sure you check out her channel, subscribe, support the girl, and also learn a thing or two, especially if you want to know how to make wigs. This is what the hair looked like after she finished making the wig, guys. Isn't this just so beautiful? I love this wig so much. She did everything. She put an elastic band to secure it. She did the baby hairs, bleached the knots, tinted the lace, everything. Like, her services are A1, guys. Make sure you check that out. And also, just with the quality of this hair, everything was just on point. So I'm gonna go straight ahead and show you guys how I installed this wig. And like I said, guys, Stacey literally did everything. She bleached the knots, tinted the lace, as you guys can see, and she added that elastic band so that the wig fits onto your head perfectly well. So the first thing I did was just to brush my hair, just brush it back with a hot brush. I didn't put a wig cap, just use it like that. And then I just used my edge control. This is the one from Olive. Just used the toothbrush to put it over my edges, and then brushed again so that my hair is laying flat on my head. Now, because most of the work that needs to be done to this wig was already done, there wasn't much that I had to do. I just had to brush it out. Like here, I brushed out the hair because I didn't want to wear it in a high ponytail, and then I went straight ahead and put it on my head. In order for the hair to be easier to work with, I'm gonna use a hair tie to just tie it back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace. I always cut my lace in small vertical sections first so that it's easier to work with, and then I go ahead and cut it around my head, and I make sure that I use a zigzag pattern. Now, because this wig was custom made to fit my head perfectly well, I don't need to glue it down. I just need to use a bit of got2b spray in order to secure the corners of my lace. What I do is I spray a little bit of the got2b freeze blasting spray on the corners of my head, on my temples, and then I use a blow dryer to make the spray tacky, and then stick the corners of the lace using my fingers. In order to give my frontal a bit of an extra grip, I then go ahead and spray a little bit of the freeze blasting spray all over the front, and then I'm gonna use a scarf to tie it down so that it lays flat and secure on my head. Alright, so let me go quickly do my makeup and then I'll be back to show you guys what the final look is like. I'm back looking pink or whatever, you know the vibes already. Anyway, this is the makeup look that I did, and now I'm gonna take off the scarf and use some of the remaining foundation on my beauty blender to just blend around the forehead area where the scarf was covering so that the lace blends well into the makeup look. Now I'm just gonna let my hair down and then just comb it out, brush it out. I want it to look as natural as possible, just like it's my hair that's flowing down, you know the vibes. So I'm just gonna brush it out, and yeah guys, this is how the hair is looking. I love this wig so much. It's so soft. It literally feels like natural hair. You know, like when you have really long hair and you have a blowout, that's exactly how it feels and looks like. But yeah, thank you so much to DYHair777 for sending me this hair. I love it so much, and I'm gonna leave all their details in the description box. I also have a discount code for you guys, which I'm gonna leave right here on the screen. If you want some money off this hair, make sure you go shop with DYHair777. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big fat thick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.